How increasing land costs affects the property market. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how existing land costs and future land costs can help you in your decision in buying a property for capital gain. Alright, before a developer is able to build a project, they have to bid for a land through the government land sales or other commonly known as GLS program, which happen twice a year. Huge determining factor of how much the project will cost predominantly attributes to how much the developer is able to buy the land parcel for. Let's take a look to see how we can use GLS to determine if a project is safe to enter. For this example, we'll be using the Botany at Dairy Farm as a case study. Looking at the master plan in the area surrounding the Botany, we can easily see that there are still 7 plots of land all around that have yet to be sold. And how does that affect the prices at Botany? As land costs continue to drive upwards, it will likely help to elevate prices there. This is what we call the first mover advantage. Let's take a look at similar examples of first mover advantage. For this, we will take a look at the example for West Coast Vale GLS. We can see evidence of a rise in the land cost throughout the years. So how does this has helped the residents of Park Rivera? As you can see that because of the rise in land costs and the later project launches, it had helped to bump up the prices of Park Rivera. Some homeowners have even made up close to 400,000 in profit. So right now, let's take another look at another example closer to the Botany at Dairy Farm. Similar to the West Coast GLS, we can also see the rise in land costs for the different development. So how does that help the first movers like the ones who have bought Treehouse in this example? We can see people enjoying huge profits with one as much as 780,000. Hence, taking a step back and looking at the Botany at Dairy Farm, is there a potential from the 7 plots of land that have yet to be sold? Quite evidently, yes. There will be a first mover advantage to be gained as his land cost is one of the lowest among the upcoming new launches. If the Botany at Dairy Farm is something that interests you, do feel free to contact me via my Google form below. I'll be able to share with you more on the project. Till then, see you in the next video.